One of the questions that I get asked the most is, how do I keep my sand scoop on my side? It's just a loop made out of some paracord. Let me show you. On my belt is my pouch and my pinpointer and this little circle loop of rope. It's just a square knot. Goes on just behind the pouch. And just like a little sheath. Shing! And while I'm walking, the handle leaves a little drag mark. You can see it right here, the handle drag. I hope this helps. Good luck, happy hunting. Hello everyone, Jay here. I'm at the beach. We have the MX7. We're set to beach mode sensitivity of 7. Let's get all the goodies. We have a jumpy miscellaneous signal. Goes from 20 to 50. Let's get it. Saying it's 4 inches, but has a really small pinpoint. Shake, shake, shake. All right, one Heineken. All right, right there at the overload. Let's get this foil. Lens wipes for your glasses. All right, this wasn't me. Remember to fill in your holes. Look how deep that sucker is. All right, at this crater somebody left us, we have a jumpy signal. Goes from 40 to 70. All right, one crusty dime. We have a jumpy penny signal. Goes from 50 to 60. One inch. Shake, shake, shake. All right, what do we got? Angry Orchard. 08 foil signal. No, I like my foil. All right, it's actually Canslaw. And if memory serves, it's old school Bud Light. We have a penny signal. 60, 65, let's get it. Should be right here. Shake, shake, shake. Let's see. Did I dump it back in? I think so. Oh, I was gonna shake it up again. All right, 1 penny. Into the pouch. A signal 65 to 67. Let's get it. 3.5 inches. All right, I see it. 1 penny into the pouch. Order signal, solid 81. Kind of big. Saying it's 1.5 inches. Uh-oh. Deeper than 1.5 inches. Oh, I hit something. Man. Oh. Cell phone. Let's see. Will it turn on? Being buried that deep so long? Let's see. No power. What is that, iPhone 11? Alright, we'll try to power it up. There's a heart on the back of it. Your vibrant personality lights up the room. Panda Express. Awesome. We have a jumpy miscellaneous penny signal. Goes from 45 to 62. Five inches right there. One crusty penny. I was hoping it would be a dime, but I'll take it. We have a jumpy signal that just disappeared. Let's see if we can get it. Seven and a half inches. 7 inches. 6.5. All right. Let's get this, what you call it, scale, iron scale. Not it. Did I just put it back in? No, it is. All right, that was funny, not gonna lie. I didn't rinse it enough. We have a red dime. Chirp of a signal one way. Let's get it. Right here. Ah. Iron scale. We have a penny dime signal, 73 to 76. 3 inches. Rinse, rinse, rinse. All right. Crusty dime. Red and green. We had a chirp of a signal but disappeared. Let's get it. Three and a half inches. It's a really small pinpoint. Is it iron scale? Is it something cool? Who knows? It's neither. Unless you think crusty hardware is cool. Penny dime signal, 65 to 69. 4 inches. Don't see it. Oh, there it is. Right at the end. One penny. We have a penny signal, 62 to, well, 57 to 62. About 5 inches right there. Ooh, I see it. Oh, that's a shell. Got all excited over nothing. Macaroni noise. One crusty penny. No ridge, no rims. No ridges around the rim. 3 inches. All right. One red nickel. We have a 22-24 nickel. Let's get our pull tab. Shake, shake, shake. Oh, it's not a pull tab, but can't slow. Have a 12 foil signal. Let's get it. 4 inches. Shake, shake, shake. All right, more can slow. We have a -10 right here. Shake, shake, shake. What in the world? Got a drill bit. Nice. All right, the phone is plugged up full of sand. Let's give it a freshwater rinse. See if we can get a charger in there. Use the foil heart. That's as clear as it's gonna get, that charging port. Let it dry. It dried off on the big fan. I put it onto the air mover. We used the shop vac to see if there's any moisture still in there. Nothing. All right. I don't know if this thing's gonna catch fire or not, so I brought out the big pot. We'll try to charge it in this thing. All right, here we go. Will it take a charge? It's charging. Let's see if it'll power on. Not yet. All right. Don't catch fire. Oh, 24%. October 18th. I guess that's when it was lost. Or at least. All right. You know them. Let them know I got their phone. I'll put it on social media, see what comes up. Welcome to the wrap up. As you can see, we had another great day at the beach. We found some bottle caps, some can slaw, a drill bit, some iron scale, 1 nickel, 3 dimes, 5 pennies, and this phone that was lost at 9 o'clock, October 18th. Here is the owner. If you know who that is, let them know. I'll return the phone to him. If you liked what you saw, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, my friends.